Hi, this is Nick Roshdieh with Nick Roshdieh Group. A lot of times sellers ask me how long will it take my home to sell. So today I'm doing a video to share with the world how we identify exactly what that timeline is. So prior to listing a home, we can identify on the average how long it will take the property to sell if we know the market absorption rate for that property in that community. What is market absorption rate? Market absorption rate is a specific rate of time in which properties are sold in a community in that time. Meaning, if there is about 6 sold properties in 12 months for a home that's for properties that are priced around on the average $5 million, we know, given the fact that there was 6 homes sold in 12 months, it takes on the average about 2 months for a property to sell once it's listed. So then we go back and see how many active properties in that community around $5 million are currently available. If there are 4 active properties currently available before our home comes in the market, 4 times 2, we know that there is already 8 months of sitting inventory in that community for homes priced at about $5 million. So before we come in the market, we know there is 8 months. Once we come, if none of those homes have sold, that takes it up to 10 months. So by knowing that, we can identify roughly how much inventory we have, how long it will take for all that inventory to be sold, to be moved, given if there's no other homes that are coming in the market around that $5 million range. So based on that information, as everyone knows, information is knowledge is power. We know roughly by what our needs and wants are, and when we have to sell the property to maybe move to a different state, different country, for whatever reason we have to sell the home for. If we have a timeline of, let's say, about 4 to 6 months, we know we need to be in the top 2 or 3 positions in that community with regards to location, price, and condition of the home to be sold, to be the second or third home sold. So that way we can hit the mark in our timeline to be able to achieve our goal of moving forward past the sale of the property. That is what market absorption rate is, and it's very powerful to know that before a home is listed. So then that way it takes the guesswork out of how long is my home going to sell, why my home hasn't sold, and what's going on in the real estate market in general. Why does my community have 5 active listings around my price that hasn't sold yet? A very well-seasoned realtor should be able to identify the market absorption rate for their clients based on, again, the location, condition, price of the home, as well as a floor plan. Let's keep in mind, floor plan is also very important. So the best thing to do before listing a home is have your agent go see what other homes are currently available that you're going to be competing with. That way, when you list a home, you know exactly where you need to be with regards to the market in your community, and given the fact that you have a certain timeline that you need to move by, that way you price the home exactly where it is, and assuming hopefully the marketing is stellar, then it takes all the guesswork out of how long it's going to take my home to sell. And on the rule of average, usually homes that are listed with market absorption rate in mind, 90% of the time they're able to hit the mark and the sellers are able to move without a lot of stress of selling the home. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you soon.